Thanks for joining me here at Love Them Knives. Today, we're talking about the Boker Rolled, a Jesper Voxnaes design. Yes. Thanks for joining me here at Love Them Knives. Boker Plus, made in China. What? Yeah, but this one's a good one. Oh, by the way, it did come with this top thing. Nice case, actually. I was really impressed with the fitted case. Had, snacks, if you like that kind of stuff. And then the paperwork for Boker, etc., etc. And, that kind of thing. And the knife. And the sheath and the tech lock all put in different places. How about that for craziness? Yeah, and this is a Voxnaes design. And so, the rolled of old is made new again. 4mm thick D2 blade stock. See, it says D2 right there. It's got the Voxnaes moniker on the blade. Some nice G10 there. What do you think? 90-90? It's smooth. Fit and finish is good on here. I like the design, don't you? Now, this is not my knife, actually. One of the viewers from Iowa, guess his name, Steve Kluver, yeah. He got a hold of me, and I can't remember why I got this knife for him, and he just didn't get it direct. Except he asked me to get him a different knife that I couldn't get from Blade HQ. So he says, why don't you grab this one, because this one was on sale. Grab this one and hold it, and I'm just going to send him another knife or two, whatever. So I've got this now. I'm waiting for the other stuff to come in, then I'll put it all together and ship it to Iowa. But man, I don't check these out. I don't really go piling through Blade HQ or anywhere really online looking for fixed blade knives. And, really, that's my mistake, because then you're missing things like this, because Jesper Voxnaes is got great designs, and Boker executed this, I thought, pretty well. Stonewash, rough, tough, got the tech lock over here, and then a Kydex type sheath. There you go. Click. That's nice. So, and the tech lock comes over here. I'm not going to really do much with it, but you can adjust this, for however you want to do it. You can clip it to your belt, either in a cross draw fashion, however you want to do that. And then, or, if you want to cross draw it, or, just the normal way, left or right, however you want to do it. Carry it that way. So it's really cool. So you got the tech lock, you got the Kydex sheath, you have this knife, and man, this is in here. This is in here. I was doing this the other day, like I'm gonna push it out. It's not easy to push out. That's a tight fit on that. Let's see if we can rattle it. I don't think we can rattle it. Nah, no rattle there. That is tight. That is really tight. Push it off. Woo. It's there, and it comes in this nice box. It's got the little magnetic closures up front like that. So that kind of deal. There's the whole shebango. Nothing too awful, incredible, fancy. Yeah. But, cool knife, huh? How big is it? Well, let's find out. It's 4 3/4 inch blade. About 12 centimeters, 120 millimeter length, and 9 1/4 overall, almost 23.5 centimeters. So if it was a folding knife, it'd be really big. But as a fixed blade knife, it's not huge. It's not huge. Now, 4mm blade stock, let's see. Yeah, right at it. Okay, so that should be about a 0.159, 1.5, or 0.157, there you go, on that. And How fat is it? Right out in the fattest part. Oh, 8/10 of an inch. 20 millimeters. What do you think about that? So you've got these holes where I guess you can put a lanyard back in here. You've got lashing points. I guess you can go through here if you wanted to lash this to a big pole and use this as a spear or whatever you wanted to do. You could do that. It's got a nice stone wash, so everything's smooth here. Really nice. Let's see if it's sharp. Check it out before I ship it out. Ooh, whoops. Hold on. Wow. Not overly impressed. Okay, that's better. Yeah, kind of this is not like wizard sharp, is it? Okay. Yeah, I get it. Yeah, not. Okay. And maybe that's field sharp for an edge that's not supposed to be wicked sharp, but that's a little disappointing. Although I'm sure Steve will finish that off. But yeah, although, take a look at this choil. So basically this should be a very easy blade to sharpen. Very easy blade to sharpen, but that's not that wicked sharp. I mean, Bark River, Cold Steel, they're fixed blade knives. A lot better than that. A lot of fixed blade knives I've held were a lot sharper than that. So not terribly sharp out of the box. That can be sorted. So if it's something that you really like, and did I show you this? Yeah. I mean, 164 MSRP, 165 bucks, but $69.99, right? So, not bad in that respect. Clip point. You know what I mean? And here's your pause and read. Voxnaes designed, rolled model. Yeah. The Rolled Scout. 4mm. So, nice. Interesting. I like the blade design. I like this big flat grind here. You can do a lot of stuff with this. And I guess he had an eye for it. This is very smooth here. I mean, it feels really good in the hand. The ergos are really good. Can you go forward? Yeah, so you can get a little bit more up close and personal with what you're doing, because this is not a big bushcraft knife. And then you've got this pommel here. So you can do some impact stuff here if you have to, hit something, beat like a nail, or munch something down, or have a striking area. So you can do that. You can do that. Really nicely contoured. And with these spacers in here, really nice. Yeah, I like it. Not much to say about it other than that. Oh, and let's weigh it up. 235 grams. So let's see what it is ounces wise. Oh, 8.3 basically. So half a pound. No, it's not overly heavy, but it's a chunk. It feels very substantial. Very substantial in the hand. Good price though, I think. Really for what it is. Where are you going to get something like that for, I don't know, a penny under $70? And if you want a comparison, like here's the paramilitary too. So this is, it's not a huge knife, especially you put her down here, it'll look bigger in comparison to a degree. It's not huge. It's under 10 inches, so overall. But, nice little camp knife. Carry along. Easy to use. Cool. Yeah. I think it's interesting, I'm glad he told me about it. Nice knife. Feels comfortable, Look at that. You got a little bit of texture here. But other than that, it's nice and smooth. It ought to be really weather resistant and pretty tough. What do you think? Thanks for joining me. Hey, Flanagan, did you just take off again? Here he is. He's over here. Thanks for joining me. Yeah, cool knife. Not overly heavy. Interesting design, of course. Very smooth and seamless. Hey, you know what we do around here. What do we do, Flanagan? Yeah, you know. We love them knives. So you guys, stay sharp.